Two-time Olympic double sprint champion Elaine Thompson-Herah says it's about striking while the iron is hot as she looks towards a busy international schedule over the next 3 years. Thompson-Herah, who sped to a world-leading 100-meter victory at the Mount Sac Relays in California on the weekend, has also hailed the nation's junior athletes. Jermaine Brown reports.
Reigning Olympic double sprint champion Elaine Thompson-Herah has sent out an early warning that she'll be tough to beat this season after speeding to a world-leading time in the 100 meters at the Mount Sac Relays in the USA over the weekend. Thompson-Herah sped to 10.89 seconds to win her heat in her first 100-meter race of the season. The 29-year-old, however, did not contest the final. She explained why.
You know, it feels good to be back. It's my first time competing here at the Mount Sac Relays. I just decided to do one round, you know. It's my season opener. It just feels good to be back. It was great out there in 10:89. So, yes, I'm happy.
The 2015 World Championship 200-meter silver medalist also explained the rationale behind her decision to contest the sprint double at this year's World Athletics Championships in Eugene, Oregon.
I wanted to try to achieve a title in both 100 and 200, you know. It's going to be a 3 hectic season. This year's World Championship, next year's World Championship, then the Olympic Games, you know. So I'm trying to get in as much as I can, you know. Girl is no longer young anymore, so I'm just trying to get as much as titles as I can before I walk away from the sport.
And while Thompson-Herah did not contest the 100-meter final at the Mount Sac Relays, fellow Olympic sprint relay gold medalist Brianna Williams finished 5th in the event in a win-aided 10.97. The 20-year-old Jamaican had also sped to a win-aided 10.91 to win her heat earlier in the day. Thompson-Herah hailed Williams and other young Jamaicans who continue to emerge from the Boys and Girls Championships as well as the just concluded Carifta Track and Field Championships.
You know, we have our Boys and Girls Championship. Carifta Games is going on right now in Jamaica, and we have a lot of athletes that have done so much amazing performance over the weekend last week because our Boys and Girls Championship. So doing that and what we're doing out here on our performance, I know they are watching. They want to build their name. They want to push their career in athletics, and because of our standard that we're setting for them and examples, I think that empowers them to, you know, motivate them to be where they want to be and to work on their dreams and aspirations.
In the meantime, Thompson-Herah hinted that her next competition could be in Jamaica. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.